Does anyone else do this, or did I just figure out a new hack for brushing your cat? So I got an undercoat brush for B because the slicker brush I use for Kitty doesn't work on him. I quickly found out how messy using this brush is, and it's hard to clean up fur that's flying everywhere, especially if your cat thinks the brush is a toy and is very squirmy wormy. And then it hit me to start brushing him next to my air purifier set on high. Instead of pulling off the fur myself, I let the air purifier suck it off the brush. Sometimes I grab tufts stuck to B and let the air purifier take it, and then it also sucks up a good bit of the fur flying around. Look at how much fur it collected from 2 brushing sessions. It's stuck on the pre-filter, so it shouldn't affect the performance of the actual filter, and then I just need to vacuum it up.